So in today's video, I'm going to use the Aloe Vera leaf as a pre-poo. I'm also going to do a solution. So if you're interested in how this is going to turn out, this is my very first time trying it. If you're interested, join me in the video. Lovies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope that today you will be able to find something from this video that you can use or that you like. If so, I hope that you will subscribe and join my family here on YouTube. So today's video is going to be about me trying this pre-poo with the aloe vera leaf. It's my very first time trying it. I thought today's my wash day, so I thought I'd try it out and see how I feel about it, and I wanted to bring you along in the experience. I actually got the idea from Natural85, and I will leave her channel link in the description below. She is wonderful. I love her. I watch her all the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair off in 4 clips here. I may look off to the side while I'm doing this because my mirror is right here, so forgive me for that. So I'm going to go ahead and section it off in 4s. This is actually an old twist out. And it still looks pretty good. It doesn't look bad, but I'm going to go ahead because I have noticed that as my hair gets longer, it tends to dry out a little bit faster. So I'm looking for ways to do even more moisture because my hair is so thick. And when I ran across this video of Natural85, I thought, hey, let me try it and see. So I'm actually going to be using the gel here as a pre-poo, and I'll probably let that sit on for maybe an hour, 30 minutes to an hour, and then I'll come back and I'm going to actually use this aloe vera juice mixture that I tried as well. I actually mixed it up last night, and I'm going to try it as with the twist out thing here today. All right, so let's go. I'm going to take the gel. Ooh, gooey. Check that out. So she didn't actually do hers this way, but I'm going to just do mine this way. I'm going to just take the actual leaf part here, and I'm just going to rub it in my hair and get my scalp. I've heard a lot of great things about the aloe vera for your hair, so we're just gonna try it and see. I'll make sure I get my scalp really good. Okay, aloe vera. Oh, amazing. Make sure I get the ends really good. Just gonna get it in there. Oh, it feels so good. Feels good on the scalp too. But I hear that, okay, I'm gonna take another little section down here. I hear that the gel from the aloe vera is very good for your hair. For dryness, good moisturizer as well. It's a really good moisturizer too. Helps with the shine and just the overall health, you know, of your hair. And I've heard about it, but you know, I guess I didn't really look into it too much. And so now that I noticed that the texture, not really the texture of my hair, but I just noticed that certain things that used to work are not working as well anymore, like some of my products that I have. So I feel like I gotta start switching some things up and trying something different as my hair grows. So I'm gonna just do that, and starting with trying this out today as a pre-poo. I normally use the Miel Organics pre-poo. She has a really good pre-poo in her line, Mangango. argan oil line. That's normally what I use, and I normally will sleep in it overnight, you know. But this slip, I'm gonna let you see if I can get a little closer so you can see that. It smells kind of funny. I don't know if it's the gel or if it's just the leaf part, but it smells a little bit, I don't want to say fishy. Maybe not fishy, but it smells a little funny. But as I think it's more of the leaf part, the green part, not so much the gel. Okay, now I saw that as it dries out, you have to kind of poke it. So you can put that in there so you can see you have to poke it. So the gel will come out, more of it. See, you can see it coming out. Gooey, ooey, ooey. But it feels amazing. I'm hoping that this one will work. We're gonna see. The curls are popping though. Okay. Okay, that's that section. I'm gonna just sure I get it in there really good, especially on those ends, hunty. Those ends need it. I'm just poking a little more here. And I'm just gonna twist it up. So I'd like to know, have you tried the aloe vera leaf on your hair? Have you tried the gel, getting it from the actual plant itself? And what was your experience like? I'd love to hear what your experience was like, or if you're still using it, or how you use it, or if you use it any differently. Leave it down in the comments and let me know. I'd love to know. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna just section this off in two and see, can I make it go a little faster here? Let's see. Okay, so we're just gonna rub it on there. Make sure I get it in the scalp. We're gonna see what it's gonna do. Just poking it out some more. Get it out. The gel coming out of there. I also heard that it encourages, that this aloe encourages hair growth. And it's great for your skin too, which I know that because I know it's good for like burns and acne and, you know, those type things. But I guess I never really thought about putting it in my hair. But I'm willing to try it to see if I can get some extra moisture here. Some extra moisture going on. And we'll see what happens. I actually, when I cut it up, I cut up some last night. I had to look up how to actually store it because I bought 2 leaves and I bought them from Walmart. Just so you know, I bought mine from Walmart and it was kind of hard where I live. I actually had to go to 3 Walmarts before I actually could find it. And I did end up finding it at one Walmart on another side of town, and I was able to get 2. And I went to I also went to Lowe's and see if they had any. Everybody was kind of sold out, which means people are really using it for all things. I know it's really good for sunburns, and you know, it's good for the skin, which I probably will try to implement it into my routine just to see. Which I'm going to be doing my new I'm going to be, dang, I can't talk today. I'm going to be doing my new updated skincare routine. If you have followed me or if you've seen the video that I posted a while back about how to try to maintain or achieve beautiful skin, clear skin, I actually had to change it up some because one of the products that was my staple products, they're not making anymore. So I had to figure out something else. So I'm going to bring that to you soon. So look out for that. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and speed this up right here. Okay, so I have it all in, saturated well. It feels really good, nice and just, it's a nice slip to it. Let's see. So yeah, so I'm gonna leave it in for about 30 minutes to an hour. Then I'm gonna wash it and deep condition it, and then I'm gonna come back, as I said, and I'm gonna use the aloe vera mixture that I did for moisture. So I'm going to use that with my routine that I do. Okay, so I'll be back. I'm going to go ahead and put my cap on. Just so it doesn't dry all the way out. Okay, I'll be back. See you in a few. Okay, so I thought I'd pop back in really quick before I go wash and deep condition. Just want to show you what my hair looks like after it's set, after the aloe has set in my hair for about an hour. Okay, let's look. Let's see what we think here. Wow. Oh my. I mean, the white residue is just the aloe, but oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my goodness. It feels so good, and it's straight up like detangled. Oh my goodness. This could really like be like, oh my gosh, I think I could just like do this for, look at that. Oh my gosh. I love it. That looked like just a straight up beautiful wash and go. Wow. That looks so good. Okay, so I'm off to wash. Just wanted to show you that real quick. Okay, see you in a minute.